Ayan. Diba? Mukhang human uli. Ano? Human. It's so hot in the Philippines. This is a different kind of hot. It's humid hot. I'm melting here. Melting here. So I'm in the car. This is actually Mio School. We're outside of Mio School. Geraldine went to return the toga as well as some things she need to ask. So I'm staying in the car. We're here. Our car is always filled up with a lot of stuff, like towels over here, because like I said, this is the Philippines and we sweat a lot. And then over here, like lots of stuff. Water bottles there. We must not run out of water here. We keep on drinking water to replenish all the sweating. Yeah. This is my bag. And I also have a bag down there. See? And water bottles again here. So this is how we do it here in the Philippines. This is how we equip our cars. Then an umbrella at the very back. You see that colored thingy in the back. There's a and then lots of pillows, a lot of stuff there also. See, we have even an electric fan just in case the AC is not enough and it's still hot. So there's a portable electric fan as well in the car, just in case. And then what else is there? Lots of pillows as well. Yeah. We have off lotions and all that kind of things in the car. I don't know what she had for me. I'm just paying every time. It's so mood lighting siya.
Ma'am.
It's so nice here.
Hirita lang ka rin ibutangan tantian.
Okay. Bapong ko ade and then put my foot here.
Huban na lang kadaan.
Sige. Thank you.
Balikan ka lang ka mga after 5 minutes.
I'll be here. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Feet pampered. My feet are just getting pampered.